95% of the ocean is unexplored. It's also the largest, deepest, and most extreme environment on Earth. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, it's 11,000 meters deep and about 60 times the height of the Everest Mountain. The pressure at the bottom is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. That's enough to crush a submarine like a soda can. But there are living things down there. Creatures that glow in the dark, like the anglerfish with its bioluminescent lure or jellyfish. They're called hydrothermal vents because they thrive near these giant underwater volcanoes that create entire ecosystems that are fueled by chemicals instead of sunlight. These alien-like plants and animals have been found only in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean where sunlight can't reach. And that brings us to another reason why the ocean is so mysterious. It's pitch black down there, and on top of that, the water gets colder the deeper you go until you hit freezing temperatures at about 1,500 meters below sea level. All of this makes the ocean depths one of the last frontiers on Earth. To explore it, we send submersibles and ROVs, which are remotely operated vehicles. They're usually tethered to a ship so that scientists on board can control them and collect samples. Untethered submarines can also be used to explore even greater depths. Using these machines, we've discovered some amazing things like black smokers, which are these giant underwater volcanoes that create their own ecosystems. We've also found tons of new species, including giant isopods, which are these massive pill bugs that can grow up to 5 centimeters long. And then there's the colossal squid, which is huge, like the size of a small car. But perhaps the most exciting thing about the deep ocean is that it's giving us clues about what life might be like on other planets. For example, the vents on the ocean floor could help us understand how life might exist on Europa or Enceladus, because they are both moons with vast oceans beneath their icy surfaces. So even though we've mapped much of the ocean floor, we still don't know what's down there. We may never fully map it because the ocean is always changing. New creatures are constantly evolving and the environment is always shifting. But that's part of what makes it so exciting. Who knows what we might find next?